Do your skin feels and looks rough? Do you feel that skin tightness, especially after swimming or bathing? Most probably you have dry skin. Dry skin may not be that serious, but it can be uncomfortable and irritating. Without any further delay, let's discuss the causes of dry skin and how to manage it at home. Hi, my name is Jessie and you're watching Jessopedia. First of all, how do we know that we have dry skin? If our skin feels or looks rough, most probably we have dry skin, and this dryness can be seen on any part of our body, but most commonly it can be seen on arms or hands and legs. Next thing to notice is that ashy or grey tinge on the part of our body where we experience dryness. Another symptom is that feeling of tightness, especially after swimming or bathing. Even if we wash our face and come out, we feel that dryness on our face. Another symptom of dry skin is itching and redness. This can even be followed by scaling or peeling or even flaking of the skin. In some severe cases, this dry skin can also be accompanied with cracks that can bleed. Now we will discuss what causes dry skin. Dry skin is mainly caused by the lack of moisture. But what causes this lack of moisture? Dry skin can be seen in anyone, but we have noticed that some people are more prone to dry skin. That means this is genetic or this can be inherited. If dryness or dry skin runs in your family, you may be more prone to dry skin. Some dry skin conditions like psoriasis or atopic dermatitis or even eczema can be inherited. Dry skin can be caused by certain health conditions. If you are suffering from hypothyroidism or diabetes, or if you have any kidney or liver problems, you may be prone to dry skin. Certain other conditions like eczema or atopic dermatitis can all be accompanied with dryness. Certain medications like diuretics or acne medications can all aggravate our dry skin conditions. Another factor is aging. As we get older, our skin becomes more drier because it is producing less oil. In women, this can also be accompanied with hormonal changes. Environment plays a very crucial role in aggravating the dry skin conditions. If the weather is very cold and dry, or if it is very windy, or if it is very hot and dry, it can all increase the issues related to dry skin. Dry skin conditions can even peak during winters. Staying for a long time in AC rooms can also cause extreme dryness. Another reason is long hot showers. It is so relaxing to have hot shower, especially during winters. But if you have dry skin issues, this particular reason can irritate your skin. Another reason is using harsh soaps or chemicals on your skin. It can be shampoos, or it can be hand washes, or it can be even your shower gels. But if it is having harsh chemicals or fragrance, it is a big no. Another main reason is hand washing. During this COVID or during this pandemic, hand washing was our only mantra. But frequent hand washing can aggravate dry skin conditions. Another reason for dry skin is hard water. If your water contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium, it can be termed as hard water. And on top of this, if your water contains the presence of certain heavy metals, this can be even more bad. Using hard water can leave a thin film on your skin, and this makes it very difficult for the skin to absorb moisturizer. My last point in this particular category is certain food items, that is beverages. If you are consuming alcohol or tea or coffee or certain caffeinated drinks, this can all aggravate the dry skin conditions. Smoking can also come under this particular category. Now we'll discuss the most important part of this particular video, that is how to manage dry skin at home itself. One important change we can bring about is in our eating habits. Try to include food which is rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Second thing to do is to keep yourself hydrated. By hydrated, I mean drink sufficient quantity of water. I have done an elaborate video on this particular topic. Please check it out. Next thing is to consume more of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are also considered as hydrating food. Next thing is to limit the consumption of beverages. By beverages, I mean tea, coffee or alcohol or any caffeinated drinks. Try to quit cigarettes or try to limit the consumption of cigarettes. The next change we have to make is in our shower routine. Try to limit your shower time to 3 to 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Then try to take shower in cold water or at least make it lukewarm or warm. Hot water is a big no. Next thing to consider is to use mild soaps and shampoos or even your cleansers or hand washes. Any soaps you use should be free from color and fragrance. This bright colors and fragrance is a big enemy for your dry skin. Next thing regarding your shower routine is to avoid the brushes or scrubs or even your bath sponges. This can all irritate your skin. Another very important thing is to practice pat drying rather than vigorous rubbing your wet skin. Please use a soft towel and pat dry your wet skin after bathing. One more thing I need to add here. If you just had a normal day, it's not mandatory to take bath every other day. But if you came home from gym or office sweaty or smelly, please do shower. Our next tip is relevant if you are into swimming. First thing to do is to avoid chlorinated swimming pools. But if this is not possible, try to apply a good layer of waterproof skin protecting lotions or creams before swimming. Another thing to do is that come out of the swimming pool and immediately take a shower with non-chlorinated or normal water. Then apply enormous amount of moisturizers. Our next important tip is regarding moisturizers. The rule of the thumb is to apply moisturizer immediately after bathing or swimming. This is to lock the moisture and seal it. There is a perfect window to apply moisturizer, that is immediately after shower within 1 to 3 minutes. If you are prone to dry skin or if you have extreme dry skin, then choose a moisturizer which is thick and cream based rather than thin and watery or lotion. There is no need to shell out enormous amount of money on good moisturizers. Our white petroleum jelly is a very good choice. Petroleum jelly or petrolatum is a single ingredient moisturizer which is very good for extreme dry skin conditions and even to treat minor skin irritations. Another good option is glycerin. It is a very good option for extreme dry skin. If you like natural products, there are also some good options like using virgin coconut oil or clarified butter or our ghee or even butter is a very good choice. If you are not a fan of this petroleum jelly or glycerin or this natural products, you can try any good moisturizer which is available in the market. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that it should be thick or cream based and it should be free from colors and fragrance. One simple and effective tip regarding applying moisturizer is that apply a good amount of moisturizer just before going to bed so that you can wake up to soft and supple skin. Our next important tip is to cover your body as far as possible, especially if you are going outside your house. If you are going outside your house in extreme winter or summer or cold dry wind or hot dry wind, please try to wear a jacket and cover your body as far as possible. Next thing to do is to wear gloves if you are in frequent contact with water and soap on a daily basis. Try to choose loose and comfortable clothing and avoid fabrics like wool or synthetic if you are allergic to that. One simple tip is washing and keeping our bed sheets and bed linens and even our pillow covers clean and dry. This is to avoid any dust or dust mites, which can also aggravate our dry skin conditions. So far, we have discussed many possible ways to avoid dry skin, how to manage dry skin, especially at home. But sometimes some of us may require an expert's advice and help. So, when to see a doctor? First reason is that your skin does not improve in spite of all these efforts and home remedies. Second thing is that dry skin is accompanied with redness. If there is a redness in the dry areas of your skin, please do consult a doctor. Third reason is that you have large areas of dry skin which is accompanied with peeling or scaling or flaking or even redness. Next reason is cracks. Cracks may appear in the dry skin areas and these cracks may be prone to dust and bacteria. This can lead to open sores and infections. Immediately consult a doctor. One main reason to consult your doctor immediately is that this dry skin or itching or flaking or sometimes even bleeding is affecting your daily routine or day-to-day activities, especially sleeping. If your sleep is affected, you can't sleep properly because of this dry skin issues, please do consult your doctor immediately. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do take care. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to love yourself.